YouTube, it's your boy the Barber Teezy. It's been a minute. I have a lot of news for you guys. So a lot of you guys know that I'm taking over Gary's Barbershop as owner. However, you don't know that I actually, me and Gary combined, signed a lease for a new building. He'll be on the lease for about a year and then I'll fully take over. But everything else, as far as like how the shop looks, how it runs, who works here, all that stuff is your boy. The only thing Gary's responsible for is the lease. But let me give you a tour of the new shop. So far, we got a remodel and all that stuff, but let me show y'all. Okay, so here is let me start from the front door. So front door, this is Zoe, y'all. Your boy gets front row parking, baby, every day. So there's that. All right, so now we got display cabinets. I'm gonna refinish these. I have 6 stations to choose from. Not choose from, but use and pump out hair out of. The good thing about every station has a built-in shampoo bowl, which is dope. So that will be included in our new services. I'm keeping this wood wall. I have new flooring to put in that we're gonna run from the carpet all the way back. So, and then we're gonna paint, obviously. I'm gonna stick with white. I like that look with the wood. And then the wood, I have wood flooring that I'm putting into. Here's my back room. All this is getting ripped up. We're gonna put hardwood back here too. I gotta replace those lights, replace these ceiling tiles. We're gonna do hardwood in the bathroom. This is the bathroom. So this is my project for the quarantine. So this is my back bar room. So I'm gonna redo all these cabinets. We're gonna put a washer and dryer in here also. Shelving for towels and product and all that stuff. First aid kit, but here's the front of the shop again. Again, 6 stations. Gonna put a big TV here probably. Got a big gas heater here, AC in the window. This used to be a hair salon, so yeah, I'm excited about this. I am super excited about this. So hopefully y'all stay tuned. I know this is a super quick video. This isn't the same parking lot as the original shop. The original shop's 2 doors down or 3 doors down from here. So we're in the same location, just bigger shop, better shop. It's gonna be my front desk. Eventually. We got a lot of stuff to do up in here, but got a lot of stuff to do, but I'm excited for the turnout, what it's gonna turn out to be. And then I'm excited to take over fully in like 6 months to a year, you know what I'm saying? So, sorry I haven't been on YouTube that much. This is what I've been working on, trying to lock this in and then dealing with this quarantine stuff. Hopefully you guys are staying home, staying safe. Do not do house calls right now, man. I can't lie, I'm guilty of doing a couple myself, but I have been very limited on who I'm doing them for, and I'm turning down 99% of the people. So, stay home, stay safe, and hopefully we can all get back to work soon. I'm filming on the iPhone, so sorry if it's a little closer in. But this is your boy's project. I'm rambling right now. I just want to give you guys a little update video because I haven't been on YouTube in a minute, and I wanted to show you guys where I'm at. And yeah, so, sorry, it's homeless dude walking by the Audi. Anyways, I'm going to get off here and get to cleaning and getting all this stuff worked on. We're going to get floors delivered tomorrow and start that process. I'm going to try to time lapse it and show you guys how we go through it and stuff like that. So hopefully that works out. But anyways, like I said, I'm rambling. I'm going to hop off here. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.